morning. Gala na sana kami kaso parang kanina madaling araw, napakalakas ng snow. Actually hanggang ngayon malakas pa rin yung snow. Kaya nililinis muna namin tong kuruma. And ayun, I'll see you guys sa first stop namin. Bye! Ram in Japan. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hello guys! Nakita niyo ba ako? Yung nag-stop over lang kami kasi sobrang, ewan ko, ano mang nangyari. Medyo malakas din yung snow at saka kailangan din namin bumili ng mga inumin, ganyan, coffee and mga snacks, ganyan. Kasi we decided na mag-expressway na dahil mas safe and mas mabilis yung biyahe. Tapos kanina, we are talking na what if dito kami nakatira, diba? Dahil nakita niyo naman kung gaano kakapal yung snow. O, di ba? Parang yung magandang snow kasi kaya naman tayo nagpunta dito para sa snow, di ba? Pero kung araw-araw mo siyang maano dahil yung kanina nakita niyo naman nagpagpag pa kami ng kuruma, tapos parang sobrang kapal ng snow nga, parang hindi naman sa nagiging ungrateful tayo dito ha. Pero kung dito ka nakatira, parang feeling ko it will be a nuisance more than an amusement. Parang ganun. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo?
Yun nga. Tsaka feeling ko sanay na yung mga tao.
No?
Ang magandang side kung dito ka tayo nakatira is yung pagdadrive mo. Parang sanay na sanay ka. Katulad namin parang nangangapa-ngapa. Ilang araw na kami dito. Pero parang mahirap pa rin mag-drive dahil na pag ganyan kakapal yung snow.
True. So paano guys? I'll see you guys later. Bye! Guys, ayun, after ilang oras, almost 2 hours ng pag-drive sa expressway ay nakarating na kami dito sa Ebisu and Daikoku Rock. Gusto ko talaga siyang puntahan dahil nasa dun sa dalawang ano ba yan? Ang hirap i-explain eh. Pakita ko na lang pero basta maganda to. So, tara, tignan na natin. By taking a different route through the village, you'll eventually find yourself stuck in a creepy dead-end street. Turn your head to the right and there's a surprise. The handsome rocks of Ebisu and Daikoku, basking off the Sea of Japan. Drawing a fine line between bucolic, romantic, and baleful, look for the center of gravity of the triangle so created, and there we are, feet in the water. These two rocks, Iwa, are Shintai. The physical entities harbor spiritual beings. They're known as Ebisu Iwa and Daikoku Iwa because of their striking resemblance to the gods of that name. To the left, Ebisu, the god of fishermen. He's chubby, holds a fishing rod in one hand and a rather hefty red sea bass in the other. To the right, Daikoku, the god of wealth. He's often depicted with a golden mallet. Both will bring you good fortune even if that doesn't seem to be true of the nearby village. Hello you guys! So ayun, tapos na nga ating picturean yung first stop natin. So we are down to our second stop which is Otaru Canal. So I'll see you guys there. Bye! Otaru's charm is without a doubt the beautiful scenery. Otaru Canal was completed in this year 1923 when Japan has westernized. It was built to support shipping by boat to Hokkaido, which at that time was just developing. Nostalgic buildings from that time are still lined up along the canal. Hello you guys! So ayun, after 50 minutes of driving, nakarating na rin kami dito sa may Otaru Canal. Otaru. And we are on our way to Otaru Canal. Yun yung sikat na tourist spot dito sa Otaru. So tara, tahan natin. Sobrang lamig ngayon guys. The Otaru Canal was completed in 1923. At that time, Hokkaido, a broad land of frigid cold, finally saw the growth of industry and the population began to increase. The port city Otaru was a major contributor to the development. This canal is a water route that supported shipping by sea. Alongside the canal, warehouses from long ago still remain. However, its use as a canal has already come to an end. In 1986, one section was reclaimed for land. It was reworked into a promenade and roadside garden, and this is how it stands today. From spring to autumn at the Otaru Canal, a tourist boat runs called the Otaru Canal Cruise. You can enjoy the canal from a boat, complete with commentary by the boat crew. Additionally, a day cruise runs in the daytime hours and a night cruise runs from evening until night. What a delight to enjoy the canal at whatever time you like. Hello guys! Ayun, tapos na nga tayo dito makita natin yung Otaru Canal and we are on our way to our third stop which is the
Shiroi Koibito.
Oo guys, hindi na kami nagtagal pala dito sa Otaru Canal kasi hinahabol namin yung opening hours nung Shiroi Koibito dahil hanggang 5 lang siya. So, I'll see you guys there. Bye! If there's one sweet that Sapporo is famous for, it's Shiroi Koibito. A cookie with chocolate sandwich between long desha biscuits. Shiroi Koibito Park takes you behind the scenes, where you can watch the cookies being made and even make your own cookies or chocolate. After attracting around 750,000 visitors in 2017, the park was made even more exciting in a renovation completed in July 2019. New attractions included delicious new sweet treats and a tour where chocolate-loving Professor Julian Dandito Shimiti and chocolate fairs Purumi and Ramuru share all the secrets about what makes chocolate taste so good. Guys, ayan, dito na kami sa Chocolate Factory. Nagkandaligaw-ligaw pa tayo kanina. Pero yung papasok na kami dito din sa may factory mismo ng chocolate. Tingnan natin kung paano siya ginagawa. So, ayan. Samahan nyo kami ha. The premium factory tour takes place in Chocotopia. Who could resist a place whose name means Utopia of chocolate? The professor and his assistants will take you on a journey through time, where you'll see the 4 revolutions that made chocolate what it is today. You'll even get to see a collection room filled with precious antiques, including the professor's greatest treasure, chocolate cups made from Mason porcelain. Chocotopia factory tours now include a tour of the bomb kitchen production line in addition to the classic tour of the Shiroi Koibito line. Find out all about Shiroi Koibito's delicious bomb kitchen are made. There's even a diorama with adorable movable scenes of the Shiroi Koibito. Removing the eye changes the meaning to small people, making Shiroi Koibito that will amuse kids endlessly. Ayan, nakapasok na kami dito sa loob. Sobrang talagang looking forward ako pumunta dito. Dahil nung last time na nandito kami, sarado. Hindi na namin naabutan na bukas to. So ngayon talaga, at natatak ko pumunta dito sa loob. Kasi gusto ko makita kung paano nila ginagawa yung mga chocolates and then yung kung ano yung ginagamit nila. Mga ganun. Nakaka-enjoy ito, and marami ka rin matututunan dito, for sure. Kaya, pag punta kayo sa Sapporo, don't forget to go sa chocolate factory. And mamaya, papakita natin sa kanila yung kung ano man meron sa labas. Kasi parang may maganda rin yung mga statue, something. Yeah. Ayan. Ikaw, ano sabi mo dito sa lugar na to?
Wala, okay lang naman and maganda nga naman. Pero mas feeling ko mas okay sa labas kasi marami talagang pwede pagpicturan.
Ayun din.
Lang. And magkano yung ticket?
800 ang isa. So,
Adult.
800 yun ang totoo na, tapos parang nakita ko, hindi ko lang sure, double check ko na lang, and nilalagay ko dyan sa screen below kung magkano yung for kids. Chocolate Lounge Oxford is a little slice of luxury in Shiroi Koibito Park. Here, you can enjoy decadent desserts such as a Shiroi Koibito parfait with cream and an original sauce made with chocolate from Shiroi Koibito. Chocolate fondue with an array of fruits that you can dip in delicious chocolate sauce, or the dainty afternoon tea set. The hot chocolate is the perfect way to get your energy back after a busy day exploring Shiroi Koibito Park. You can make your own unique Shiroi Koibito or chocolate at a Sweets Workshop Dream Kitchen. Each experience has its own special side of the room, with plenty of room to enjoy making your very own sweet treats. If you don't have much time, you won't miss out their speedy session where you can put chocolate in a mold and add your own unique toppings in just 20 minutes. Hey guys, so yun, tapos na tayo sa chocolate factory, yung pinaka-factory mismo. And ayun nga no, parang naisip ko yung sa Nissin sa may Yokohama. Tama. No, parang do it your own or create your own something. Talaga mag-enjoy yung mga bata dito. And syempre, tayo matatanda na gusto natin ng mga chocolates, diba? So, tara, pili na tayo ng mga pampasalubong para sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. After the renovation, Shop Piccadilly is now around 520 square meters, around 1.5 times bigger than before. Mochi, ano yung mga tinda nila dito?
Chocolate. Tsaka box.
In addition to popular classics like Shiroi Koibito and Shiroi Bomb Tsumugi, you'll find all kinds of products with a professor who has an overflowing love for chocolates and a must-see new characters as motifs. There's even a limited edition item that can't be found anywhere else. Look for Purumi and Ramuru Chocolate Story, a book-style box of milk and white chocolate featuring chocolate fairies, Purumi and Ramuru as a motif. Ram in Japan. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.